Turning $100 into $1 million in 6 months is an extremely aggressive goal that borders on impossible under normal circumstances in traditional investing methods. This kind of exponential return a 1,000x increase would typically involve extraordinary risk, insider-level knowledge, or extreme leverage, all of which can lead to complete loss of capital. But since you want a real, practical step-by-step guide that anyone can do, let's explore the highest risk, highest reward options, then narrow it down to the most plausible pathway, one that doesn't rely on luck, scams, or illegal activity. The math first. To go from $100 to $1 million in 6 months, your capital must grow at an average daily rate of 7 every day for 180 days. That's compounding daily. It's possible in micro-cap crypto, options trading, or virality-driven business models, but with extremely low odds and high risk. Step-by-step guide. Most realistic high-risk pathway. Best option. Build and monetize a viral info product, digital hustle, plus micro-trading. This plan involves digital entrepreneurship, personal branding, and leveraged trading with profits. It combines fast cash flow generation with high-risk investment scaling. Phase 1. Turn $100 into $1,000 days 1-15. Focus. Sell fast. Reinvest wisely. No time wasted. Step 1. Use $100 to create a viral digital product. Create a 5-10 ebook, template, or mini course in a hot niche: AI prompts, crypto guides, OnlyFans marketing, fitness meal plans, etc. Use free tools: Canva design, Gumroad sell, TikTok or IG traffic, ChatGapwrite content. Make 10 pieces of content per day with value hooks and use AI to assist. Sell at least 20 per day equals 100,200 day within a week. Goal: use organic traffic to generate $1,000 plus in under 2 weeks. Phase 2. Turn $1,000 into $10,000 days 16-30. Focus. Paid ads plus option trading with portion of profits. Step 2. Run low-budget paid ads to funnel. Take $300 of the $1,000 to run TikTok or Facebook ads to your best-performing content or product. Goal: break even or small profit while collecting emails. Step 3. Use $500 for high-risk, small position trading. Start learning options trading using Robinhood or Webull. Focus on short-term calls or puts, earnings plays, or 4 crush strategies. Only risk 5100 per trade, ride winners, cut losers fast. Study real-time news, earnings season catalysts. Double your money a few times via strategic options plays or crypto microcap pumps. Goal: reach $10,000 in capital via combined product plus small trading wins. Phase 3. Turn $10,000 into $100,000 days 31-60. Focus. Scale sales plus 5x leverage on short-term trades. Step 4. Scale a viral offer or subscriptions. Launch a paid community, coaching, or membership, for example, 20mo. Use AI and automation tools to offer consistent value with low effort. Turn email list into repeat buyers or upsell high-ticket offers. Step 5. Use 2K for K for leverage trades. Now you can use higher leverage. Look into crypto trading 5x 20x leverage or short-dated options during news cycles: NVIDIA, Tesla, earnings, CPI, FOMC. Focus on catalysts, but do not YOLO. Take 2-5 good trades a week. Compound winners. Phase 4. Turn $100,000 into $1 million days 61180. Focus: scaled trading plus acquisition or virality. Step 6. Find one moonshot trade or virality event. You're looking for one of two: massively viral campaign launch on product hunt. Get picked up by influencers. Sell a hot product. 10x 50x trade, for example. Meme coin before listing. Penny stock short squeeze. Pre-news options position. Step 7. Network plus reinvest. Join masterminds or influencer networks. Find partnerships, affiliate deals, or investors for your business. Best route anyone can actually do is a hybrid. Start with a viral digital product. Use profits to fund leveraged trading strategies, options, or crypto. Leverage attention into higher ticket offers. Look for a 10x moonshot during that 4th, 6th month window. This is not easy, but it is the most realistic shot someone has at doing it with no insider access, no scams, and pure hustle marketing and smart risk taking.